Attracted to organic shapes. So the collage sort of branches out to my 2D work, and then of course it lives very largely in this 3D work. By the time I was in my mid-40s, I was thinking a lot about my mother's death. She died when I was 15 years old and she was 47. So a lot of this work kind of got triggered in my mid-40s when I started to think about my own mortality. I think, like many children, growing up, they don't think that they'll ever live longer than their parents if their parents died young. So I started to think about her journey, and I don't think I could really tell her story without using sewing, because it was such a part of her way of expressing herself. And so I felt like I wanted to use this mechanism to talk about her. And because so much, as a young woman learning about second wave feminist art, sewing and the reclaiming of fiber and textile was definitely a part of that discussion. And that integrated into this work here.